cuddle me as she come back. Shout out Uncle Keenan for this one. Yeah. Yeah. Dana shower follow mega mbona mega mans. Prada like Mikado from my brother booing house. If I get imali sa delela na ma out. Slabe car kuze bengadinwa na baphasi. Baby uhleze khala athi kumele ngenze isikhathi. Tshela ukuphi isithando ngisondele njengamanje. Uthi khona ithama ukungibona ngiyakwazi. Ngimtshela ngaphandle Usimamane unenkani. Nginkalakatha ungawari ntombazane. Yazi menginawe every time i-Valentine. Mengikhuluma nawe yonke into ihamba ngoline. Kade ngangifuna ukukubona sweetie love. Ngizizwa ngishishela ngcono siphumele ngaphandle noma sihlalela phakathi. Yazi phela wena baby ngishaya ngaphakathi. Nginga yami ukuthi vele ngihlezi ngimadasa. So shit, everything is alright. You see my new girl, right? Had to pull up to the scene, me and her and other hoes are vele and I probably know why. Zabazai. Dwana si kichile the street, bye. Baby, now you with the G, Koshabo Snide. A call from my ex, oh my god, oh hi. Cause now I got a painting, right? All them niggas hating, right? Have to admit shit too fine. But I'm tryna get for more niggas only tryna break her spine, right? All them niggas hating, right? Have to admit she fine. But I'm tryna get for more, not to only fucking break her spine.